Let's talk about surge requirements in the NEC. NEMA estimates that up to 80% of power surges come from inside the home. Some sources can be motors and home appliances, such as air conditioners and refrigerators. The NEC expansion began in the 2020 NEC, leveraging data from the NFPA Research Foundation, which studied the impact of surges. NEC 2020 required in 230.67a, all services supplying dwelling units shall be provided with a surge protective device. This covers single and multi-family dwelling unit services. NEC 2023 expanded surge beyond dwelling units to dormitory units, guest rooms and guest suites of hotels and motels, areas of nursing homes and limited care facilities used exclusively as patient sleeping rooms. NEC 2023 also addressed the fact that the service entrance equipment may be out there at the road and not at the dwelling unit. We want surge protection as close to the structure as possible. This was addressed in Article 215 for feeders and 225 for outside feeders and branch circuits, multi-family dwelling units. There, we may have large equipment feeding multiple meter centers, and then the meter centers feeding dwelling unit panel boards, which we refer to as load centers. In this case, there are multiple layers of surge required by the code. Surge solutions exist for all different types of applications. You can learn more at eaton.com/surge.